Okay, three more examples from lesson 59. I got two from the book, and then one I'm going to do on the paper from the worksheet. These are kind of accumulates everything from all the lessons into these problems. So it's a good way of reviewing all the different concepts with these problems. But just like here, the first one, I got 3, this is number 27 from the book, but I got 3 times x minus 9 minus 2 equals negative 35. So here, the first step, multi-step, first step is I got to distribute. I got to get rid of these parentheses here by distributing the 3 to the x and to the negative 9. So here it becomes 3x minus 3 times negative 9 is negative 27 minus 2 equals negative 35. Then the lesson where you combine like terms. I got 3x, can't combine with anything, but I got negative 27 minus 2, so negative 27 and then negative, another negative 2, that'll be a negative 29 equals negative 35. So this should look familiar now. I got 3x minus 29 equals negative 35. So I want to isolate the x. I want to cancel everything here, move it to the other side. So here I can deal with the negative 29 by doing the opposite, adding 29. So I add 29 on this side. So if I do that, I end up with 3x. And that will be 0, negative 29 plus 29, so we'll leave that. Negative 35 plus 29, so that'll give me a negative 6. So now it's down to finding 3 times something equals negative 6. Well, the opposite of multiplying is dividing, so I divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1x, or x. And negative 6 divided by 3 will give me negative 2. So this will be the answer. Okay, if you put negative 2 in for x and do the problem, negative 2, that'll be negative 9, that'll be negative 11, that'll be negative 33 plus 2, negative 35, negative, yep. So negative 2 is the right answer. Here's another one. Doing the distributive on both sides. You got 3 times 4x plus 3 equals negative 9 times negative x plus 2. So you got to distribute the 3 on this side to get rid of the parentheses. So 3 times 12x, so 3 times 4 is 12x. And then 3 times a positive 3, that'll be a positive 9. Equals, I got negative 9 times a negative x, so that I end up being negative and negative would be a positive 9x, multiplying. And then negative 9 times a positive 2 would be a negative 18. Okay? So now I want to get all my x's on one side. Okay, so I'm going to, I got 12x on this side and 9x on this side. So I'm going to do negative 9 on both sides. I'm going to get rid of this one, negative 9x. So therefore 12 minus 9x would be 3x plus 9. 9x minus 9x, that goes away, that's 0. Equals negative 18. So now that should look familiar. I gotta go 3x plus 9 equals negative 18. So 3 times some number plus 9 equals negative 18. Well, I want to isolate the x. So here I got, I can deal with the plus 9 first. So if I do negative 9, negative 9. So 3x is left on this side. 9 minus 9 is 0, so that goes away. And then negative 18 and minus 9, I end up with negative 27. So the last step is 3 times something equals 27. A lot of people, well, 3 times 9 is 27. But if I stick to this here, I got 3 divided by, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So 3 divided by 3 is 1x, or just x, equals negative 27 divided by 3. That would be a negative 9. See, and that's something you need to be careful with, because sometimes people will see, oh, well, 3 times 9, that's 27, and just put down the 9. But you got to pay attention to your signs. So that will be the answer, number 28. X would equal